Hi, welcome to Motivation Monday with Lois. Come on in. I'll give you a few seconds for you to come on in. Today in the Midwest, it's not as cold today, so that's good. So, welcome to Motivation Monday. My name is Lois Goudeau, and I am a licensed clinical professional counselor. I'm also the owner or the founder of the Facebook group Mosaic Families Connecting, and also the coaching program Mosaic Transformation Academy. Within the Academy, I work with parents who are struggling with the challenges and changes of blending a family. I help them work together with each individual in the family so that they have a sense of belonging, that they feel heard, understood, and have a degree of happiness within the family. By doing this, they move from struggling in the family to having appreciation, strong bonds, and mutual respect in the family. And I also work with individuals who are just starting this process. They've decided to take their blended family relationship to the next level. And so I help them understand the unique dynamics in the blended family. And since I'm talking about that, I'm really excited to let you know that I have a workshop planned for those individuals that are taking their relationship to the next level. It's called Before the Blend. Isn't that a nice name? I kind of like that. So, Before the Blend, it's going to be a workshop about what to expect when you get into the blended family. And just listening to people and even myself, realizing that before I got in my blended family relationship, I wish someone had told me what to expect. I wish someone had said, this is what's going to happen. These are some of the challenges. These are some of the changes. So I'm having a workshop. It's going to be a free 2-day online virtual workshop through Zoom. And so if this is something that you're getting ready to jump into, I don't want you to jump into it blindly. I want you to go into the relationship with your eyes wide open. So if this is something that you're going to be doing, I'm going to put the link in the Facebook group, but also if you send me a DM, I'll send you the link so you can register. Again, it's going to be a 2-day workshop, January the 5th and 6th, 2022 at 6:30 Central Standard Time, and it's going to be a live, free online Zoom link. So go ahead and send me the link if that's something that you're interested in. So last week I posted, I think it was a YouTube video, and it was talking about a glass of water. And so I kind of want to talk a little bit about that today and just talk a little bit about how does water fit into what I'm getting ready to talk about. So let's just say if I had a glass of water and I asked you, what's the weight of this water? Some of you might talk about if it's half empty, half full. You might tell me the grams of that's in that water. But what I want you to do is I want you to look at it and think about it in another way. That it's not about the weight of the water, but it's how long you're holding that water. So if you're holding that water for a minute, that's no problem. It's not heavy at all. If you even held that water for a little longer, maybe an hour, it still might not be heavy. But if you held that water all day, I guarantee you that the weight of that water, your hand would start feeling paralyzed. You wouldn't be able to move it, that it would significantly affect you carrying that water. So if we look at that, stress and worries are just like that glass of water. In the beginning, it doesn't seem to affect you. You may even be able to go weeks, maybe even months without it affecting you. But if you continue to let that stress build up and build up, it starts to become a weight. So much to the fact that you may feel that you're helpless. And this is what happens in blended families sometimes. There's an issue, we don't address it, and then it starts becoming a weight. So after it becomes a weight, you have one or two things that you can do. Hi, everybody. One or two things that you can do. You could either ignore it and hope it gets better, but just based on the fact that it has continued for week after week and month after month, it probably won't change. And it's probably going to start affecting your overall health. The American Psychological Association says that there are some common contributors to stress. And two of the common contributors are family responsibility and significant changes. Well, let's just think about it. Having a blended family is a significant change. And so, again, you can sit and do nothing and hope that it change, or you can do number two. And number two is you can do something about the challenges in your blended family. And just know that it's important that you have to let go of your stress. Because if you don't let go of your stress, like the American Psychological Association says, it's going to start affecting your body, your mental health. It's going to start affecting your physical health. So in my coaching program, that's one of the things I do is I help you be able to understand the challenges and changes and to be able to know how to deal with the challenges and changes. So if you're in that situation and that resonates with you, what I want to do is I want to give you a free resource. The resource is called, hold on a second, what did I call it? It's called 6 Things You Can Do Immediately to Strengthen the Bonds in Your Blended Family. And I'm also going to put that in the Facebook group. And all you have to do is just click on the link, and it's going to tell you some things that you can do immediately right now that's going to help you strengthen that blended family. So I just wanted to do for the Motivation Monday, I just want you to think about that glass of water. Is it a weight that you're having? Is that glass of water, which is the stress, is that causing you struggles in your blended family? And if so, send me a link. So if so, send me a DM and I can send you the link, or you can go in the Facebook group and get the link. And don't forget that I'm having a free 2-day workshop for individuals that are taking their relationship to the next level. Those that want to be conscientious about what they're going into and not be surprised. They want to go in with their eyes wide open. All right, talk to you.